In today's video, I'll show you how to create a poll in Messages on iPhone in iOS 26. Let's get into the method. Each person in the chat will need to be using iMessage on iOS 26 to see the poll, but all you need to do is open the chat you want to send the poll in, and then tap on the plus icon in the bottom left corner. Now choose poll from the list, and this will create the template. You can now input the options for the poll, and add a comment message at the bottom, such as the question. When you add the third option, the fourth will add automatically, and so on. Once you're ready, tap on send, and this will appear in the chat for each person to vote on. You'll see who voted for which, and you can continue to vote for other options, or remove your vote by tapping on the already selected options. That's how to create a poll in Messages on iPhone in iOS 26. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.